Howdy, I'm Mark Thompson from Spring Branch, Texas, a little north of San Antonio. I've been looking at the Drone Command Live program for probably well over a year. I had reached out, basically doing some investigation, if you will, some information seeking. I had bought a drone more for just fun and wasn't really doing anything with it, but really had more questions on what I was able to do, if I could do a business with it, and what I would need to do that. And so finally, play it forward, a year and a half later, I finally went ahead and did the program this time around here in August. And so presently on just finished day 2 out of Drone Command Live. My background is engineering. Been in sales and marketing for 15 years or something like that after that. Sold some pretty high-end equipment, pretty good at it. And really the information that I gleaned over the last day and a half has been really pretty phenomenal. Really more so both on the certainly learning about the drones and what you can and can't do, or should and shouldn't do. And that's still information that is being taught. Or even on the marketing side. So working with Damon, who is the drone boss, as well as Diego in the strategic marketing side of things, that information is really invaluable. And you'll glean more and more of that and basically how to apply it, which is very, very different from what textbooks teach you, education systems teach you, and those type of things. So it's well worth that amount of time and that small investment to get the information that you need. I wasn't seriously looking at a drone business, I'll be perfectly honest, but circumstances changed, and now I'm looking at that more seriously. I've got a bigger salary to replace, so there you go. But certainly based on what I've seen and what they've presented, that certainly is accomplishable. Got to do the work, but they're showing me a path to do that. So it's pretty exciting. Looking forward to spending day 3 with them and figure out what life looks like after this. But hey, you get to fly. It's a good time. So appreciate the year. Appreciate the training, Damon, Diego. Appreciate that, and all of your staff have been very helpful. Adios.